And most importantly, protect yourselves at all times. Protect yourselves at all times. This is Street Beast, round one. Let's work.
Whoa.
Move. Play defense.
Find the beers later. Yeah, you don't know about the new back.
Might be trying to do it for the kids watching the TV land.
Come on, James Tony.
That little Mike Jackson move on.
One.
Two. He good. He good.
Three.
I know damn right.
Four. 5. He's good. 6. 7. 8.
Yeah, he a soldier though.
Fight!
Hey, B, you built different.
What the hell did he say? Cover that face up. And get out of that corner. Circle.
Fight back!
Circle right back. You better fight back.
1.
Get up. Get up. Get up. 2. Get up.
3.
Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off.
5.
Walk up to the coach. Walk up to
6. 7. 8.
No! This can't happen. I put my mortgage on this.
Fight!
Put that damn hand up. Quit dropping that damn. Right on, buddy. He's on Hall of Fame. Put that hand up.
2, 1, time. Good round, man. Round 2, you know what we do. Let's work.
He disappeared.
Hands back up. Can't afford to put anything down.
You know the pain.
Go! Go! There's the 2.
Fight back. Some hesitation, man. Some hesitation.
Range on that hook. That hook is short. Go 2. Catch. Wait, you gonna engage. Catch. Go 2. You thought the body didn't want to dig deep because he can hear me. Officer Zuka. If he don't engage, you get the rest of this round off. Yeah, and there was the 2. You can do it, bro. Who's setting it up for it? We ain't moving that much. Yeah, we gotta tie up with the
Rotate.
Get up.
Fight.
Hey, you got hard, man.
To the middle. Good fight, man. Good respect. To the middle, young man. To the middle. Great fight, man. Great fight, Warriors. Great fight, Warriors. Winner!
All right, 15 seconds. Say whatever you want.
Hey, baby. Another day in the gym. Shout out to him. He's tough as shit. Shout out to my wife. I love her. Got a baby on the way. It's for my son. Hopefully my son. And